Good morning, children. Today we will be doing exercise 6.6 D part, where we will learn to find the radius and the diameter using these formulas. Now let us start. First, we will have a look at the formulas. The first one is diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. How we will find the diameter? What is the formula for that? 2 into radius. And radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. These two formulas are very important and you have to learn them. Okay, you must learn them. The concept of radius and diameter has already been discussed in the previous session. ओके आज हम एक्सरसाइज 6.6 करेंगे जिसके लिए हम ये दो फॉर्मूलाज लर्न करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू रेडियस और रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ये दोनों हमारे फॉर्मूलाज हैं. हमने रेडियस और डायमीटर पिछले सेशंस में ऑलरेडी कवर किया है. इनका कॉन्सेप्ट कि ये क्या होते हैं. अब हम देखेंगे कि फॉर्मूलाज यूज़ करके हम रेडियस और डायमीटर कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. Okay, so the first question here is, if radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter will be equal to what? If radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter will be equal to what? So diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. First step क्या होगा? We will write down the formula. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, first you will write down the formula. अब radius क्या दे रखा है हमको? 3 centimeter. Radius क्या दे रखा है हमको? 3 centimeter. Okay, these are the formulas and from here we are starting. Radius is 3 centimeter. So 2 into radius is 3. 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what will be the diameter? 6 centimeter. What will be the diameter? 6 centimeter. Next you are given diameter is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the radius. Diameter is equal to 12 centimeter. Then radius is equal to what? तो radius, अब what we have to find? Radius. तो हम radius का formula use करेंगे. यहाँ पे हमको diameter निकालना था तो हमने diameter का formula use किया. Okay. अब हमको रेडियस निकालना है तो हम रेडियस का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. रेडियस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. दैट इज, व्हाट इज द डायमीटर गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन? 12 सेंटीमीटर. 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 12 divided by 2. Say the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. कब आया हमको 12? 2 6s are. So what will be the answer of this? 6. अब don't just write 6. What is the unit? सेंटीमीटर. तो हमको ये यूनिट भी लिखनी है क्योंकि अगर डायमीटर की लेंथ सेंटीमीटर में है तो रेडियस की भी लेंथ सेंटीमीटर में होगी. अंडरस्टूड? Yes. Again I will explain. Radius is 3 centimeter. Then diameter is equal to what? If radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter is equal to what? तो हमको diameter निकालना है तो हम diameter का formula यूज़ करेंगे या radius का? Radius तो already given है. हम diameter निकालना है तो we will use this formula for the diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. I wrote down the formula. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. ये है step 1. Step 1. First step is to write down the formula. Second step, radius का वैल्यू डालेंगे. रेडियस का वैल्यू क्या दे रखा है? 3 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस की जगह हमने लिख दिया 3 सेंटीमीटर. थर्ड स्टेप, वी मल्टीप्लाइड. इजी? इज इजी ब्रीजी, राइट? नेक्स्ट, डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 12 सेंटीमीटर. देन रेडियस इज इक्वल टू वॉट? इफ डायमीटर इज 12 तो रेडियस कितना है? नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड रेडियस. सो विच फॉर्मूला विल वी यूज? This one. Which formula will we use? This one. What is the formula for radius? Diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. First I wrote down the formula. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter कितना है 12 divided by 2. Say the table of 2. 2 की टेबल में 12 कब आता है 6 times 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer 6 centimeter. Okay, next. Radius is equal to 6 centimeter, then diameter is equal to what? Again you are asked to find the diameter now. If radius is 6 centimeter, then diameter is equal to what? Diameter का formula लिखेंगे. What is the formula for diameter? Come on, speak up. What is the formula for diameter? जो निकालना है हम उसका formula लिखेंगे. Okay, remember. D is equal to 2 into R. D is equal to 2 into R. यानी diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So, first step, formula written. Second step, put the value. Second step, put the value. What is the value of radius? 6. What is the value of radius? 6 centimeter. I have put the value of radius here. Now, what will be the diameter? 2 6 are, say 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 centimeter. Diameter is 12 centimeter. Easy? Yes. Next, if diameter is 16 centimeter, then radius is equal to what? If diameter is 16 centimeter, then radius is equal to what? So we have to find out the radius. Yeah, we have to find out the radius. तो हम radius का formula लिखेंगे. Radius का formula क्या है? Radius, what is the formula for radius? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. That is 16. Diameter कितना है 16. 16 divided by 2. Now 2 का टेबल बोलेंगे. 2 की टेबल में 16 कब आता है? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Finished? Is it finished? No. What did I forget? Unit. If I forget the unit, अगर हम units भूल जाएंगे तो मेरा आंसर wrong हो जाएगा. मेरा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Wrong. So write down this 8 centimeter. Okay. Don't forget to write down the unit. Centimeter है, so you have to also write centimeter. Okay. Alright. So now I'll be giving you homework that you will be doing in your notebook. Okay. But first and foremost, what you will be doing? First and foremost, you will be learning the formulas, these two formulas, and writing them down in your notebook. आपको सबसे पहले ये दोनों फॉर्मूला लर्न करके अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. कौन से फॉर्मूला है? डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू रेडियस और रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. और फिर ये दोनों फॉर्मूलाज यूज़ करके आपको ये होमवर्क सॉल्व करना है. Okay, I will send you screenshot of the formulas, the homework along with the answers. Okay, and after this, this chapter will come to an end and we will start with a new chapter from Monday. Okay, so take care and finish your homework.